To plan and practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Madhyama lesson 4 Abdul Kalam. So he was the president of our country. We all know that he was a very nice person. He was very humble. So we know about him. So this is the lesson about Abdul Kalam. विद्या देही नई कल्पना कल्पना लाती नए विचार नए विचारों से मिलन ज्ञान ज्ञान बनाए आपको महान. So these are the sentences and doha created by Abdul Kalam said, learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, new thinking provides knowledge, and that knowledge makes you great. These are the words said by Abdul Kalam. Now we will go to the lesson. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम भारत के 11वें राष्ट्रपति थे. So Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam was 11th president of our country. उनका जन्म 15 अक्टूबर 1931 को रामेश्वरम में हुआ था. He was born in Rameshwaram. Dated 15 October 1931. उनका परिवार बहुत साधारण परिवार था. Family was a middle class or a very ordinary family. अब्दुल कलाम का व्यक्तित्व जीवन कठिन परिश्रम करते हुए बीता. The personal life of Abdul Kalam was very hard and difficult, and it went through many hard labor and hardship. In the starting of his personal life, वे प्रतिदिन 18 घंटे काम करते थे. He used to work for 18 hours per day. एक आदर्श छात्र की तरह वे अपनी सफलता का श्रेय अपने शिक्षकों को देते थे. He was an ideal student. He used to give the success whatever he get, and that credit goes to all his teachers. He used to give the credit of his success to his teachers. He was an ideal student. बचपन की एक घटना सुनाते हुए उन्होंने हमें एक प्रेरक संदेश दिया है. उन्होंने हमें एक प्रेरक संदेश दिया है. He narrated the incident that happened in his childhood. Through that, he is giving us a motivational message. उस घटना का वर्णन उन्हीं के शब्दों में पढ़िए. So he has written this narration. So we will read those words which was written by Abdul Kalam himself. He has narrated an incident of his life. जब मैं 10 वर्ष का था तब 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता था. When I was 10 years, I was studying in 5th standard. मेरे अध्यापक श्री शिव सुब्रमण्य अय्यर हमें पढ़ा रहे थे. So our teacher was Shiva Subramanya Iyer, and he used to teach us. He was teaching us. His teacher was teaching him, and his name was Shiva Subramanya Iyer. पंछी कैसे उड़ते हैं? How are the birds flying? The topic is about that. The teacher was taking the topic on birds, how the birds will fly or how they are flying. The topic was this, and he was describing this to the students. यह प्रश्न करते हुए उन्होंने श्याम पट पर एक चिड़िया का चित्र बनाया. As he was asking the question how the birds will fly, he drew a bird's picture on the blackboard. उसकी चोंच, पैर, पंख और दुम बनाने के बाद वे हमें बताने लगे कि चिड़िया कैसे उड़ती है. So he drew its beak, leg, wings, and he described it how the sound it makes and smokes, that is it flutter its wings. All that he described in that picture on the blackboard और द ब्लैक स्क्रीन. बताने लगे कि चिड़िया कैसे उड़ती है. हाउ द बर्ड्स विल फ्लाई. ही वॉज डिस्क्राइबिंग दिस थ्रू दिस पिक्चर दैट ही ड्रू ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड. वे करीब 45 मिनट तक यही समझाते रहे. So around 45 minutes he was describing the same topic. फिर उन्होंने हमसे पूछा कितने छात्रों की समझ में यह बात आई. Then he asked how many children could understand the way I described and understand the topic. How many of them can understand whatever I taught now on the blackboard. Whatever he drew and he taught, how many students were able to understand. He was questioning the students. बहुत से हाथ उठे किंतु हम में से 3 बच्चे ऐसे थे जिनके हाथ नहीं उठे. So most of them raised the hand, but only 3 of us we did not raise the hand because we couldn't understand. And one among them was Abdul Kalam. So Abdul Kalam is narrating this incident of his life. उसी समय घंटी बज गई. उन्होंने कहा जो समझ नहीं पाए वे छात्र शाम को मेरे घर आए. So the teacher told them, Siva Subramanya Iyer, the bell rang now, so whoever did not understand can come my home, so that he will tell them again. शाम को हम सब उनके घर पहुंच गए. So in the evening we reached his house. We all reached his house. वे हमें समुद्र तट ले गए. He took us to the beach or the seashore. उन्होंने एक चिड़िया की ओर इशारा करते हुए कहा देखो पंख पर ध्यान दो, पंख फड़फड़ा रहे हैं. He saw a bird and he said see the bird that is flying. Please you look at the wings how it flies. Also you look how it flutters its wings to fly. He told that to the students. अब दुम उठी, पंख हिले और दिशा बदल गई. Suddenly it rose up. It got up while flying and raised the smoke. That is, it started fluttering its wings, shaking its wings, and the direction changed. The bird's direction changed. अच्छा यह बताओ चिड़िया कैसे उड़ती है. कार और हवाई जहाज में मशीन लगाती है, चिड़िया में ऐसा क्या होता है. Then he asked the student, you tell me how the bird is flying. Similar to the bird is aeroplane and car. They have mini machine in them, but the bird doesn't have. Then how it is flying? Then For this question, Abdul Kalam replied, मैं कहा इसमें जीवन होता है। उन्होंने कहा, हाँ शाबाश, यह जीवन ही है जो हमारे मस्तिष्क को बनाए रखता है। Then he said, then the when teacher asked this question, Abdul Kalam told, I will answer this question. Sir, it is the life in that makes it to fly. Then teacher was very happy. He appreciated Abdul Kalam and he said, life helps to keep our mind and raise our mind to go on. So this is what the teacher said to Abdul Kalam. उस दिन से मुझे एक धुन लग गई. I was tuned up after sir, that is the teacher, told him all this. He was very interested and he got a lot of enthusiasm in that and he got tuned to whatever the teacher said. He has taken that in his mind and started practicing it. मैं 10 वर्ष का था लेकिन मुझे सीढ़ियों का उड़ना पाठ प्रेरणा देने लगा. When he was 10 years only, the subject, the bird, how it flies, was very much inspiration to him and that made him to get along in his life. मैं कुछ कर गुजरना चाहता था. I want to do something and go by it or pass by my life. नन्ही चिड़िया इतनी ऊंचाई तक उड़ सकती है तो मनुष्य क्यों नहीं उड़ सकता? When a small bird can fly so up, then why not the humans or people like us can fly up? मेरे शिक्षक इतने अच्छे थे कि उन्होंने मुझे स्वप्न में उड़ने के भाव को साकार करने का मनोबल दिया. My teacher was so nice. He asked me to dream about how a bird fly and we also will fly up to reach our destination. He gave me the mental strength and confidence to dream and to bring the concrete form of form like a concrete form to fly up in our life as a bird did. And this mental strength and confidence was given by his teacher. स्कूली शिक्षा पूर्ण करके मैंने मद्रास इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी में एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री प्राप्त की. After complete my education, I got my aeronautical engineer certification. He completed his degree. Abdul Kalam completed his degree aeronautical engineering. उसके बाद इसरो इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भारतीय अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान संगठन में रॉकेट इंजीनियरिंग का कोर्स करके वहीं से अपने करियर की शुरुआत की. So then he joined ISRO. He has done the rocket engineering course and he started working there and started his career from there with ISRO. मेरे शिक्षकों को मुझे इतना ऊंचा दिया कि उनके कारण ही मैं आज बुलंदियों को छू रहा हूँ. So my teachers were so good and they made me to go up to reach to great heights, and because of them I have done my best and now I have reached to the great heights just because of my teachers. हमारे जीवन में हमें शिखर पर लाने वाले 3 ही व्यक्ति होते हैं. वे हैं माता, पिता और गुरु.